plenty the squirrels have. Let's take some more for the sheep. Come on then.
Yeah. Yeah, it smells nice in the morning, the frying pan, doesn't it? Oh. Jensen, look what Nanner's found.
Hey, some more. Come on. Okay.
Yeah. They call that one Sizzler. Yeah. Jensen, look at the goat there. Look, see the goat.
Look at those asleep. They're asleep. Look, you see them lying down. Look, Jensen.
Oh, look.
Yeah, it's a goat, isn't it? Do you want to go on a tractor? Do you want to go on a tractor?
Oh yes, yes, we want to go on the tractor. Come on, shall we lift you on the tractor? Would you like to go on here? Would you like to sit on the seat? Look, there's a seat up there. Look, you could, if you wanted to. Well, shall Nana go on? Nana go on. Yeah, Nana, Lola will go on, yeah.
Yeah. I'm filming all this.
Come on then. Are you going to come on?
Come on.
Are you going to come on? Yes? Can you get in, Daddy?
Oh, hang on.
Up here. Up here. Up here.
Yes? I'm going to steer it. There. So it's the gears. Who's that? It's the gear lever, isn't it? That's the brake, yeah.
A train's coming. Train.
A train isn't coming yet, but there will be another train. You're steering the tractor. You're steering it.
You take a chance here with Nana driving. Jensen. There I go, like that. Get dust in my eyes now. Say beep beep. Beep your horn. Beep beep. Yeah.